Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on GME here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video on Friday. But on Friday's recap, I made the comment about how things the power seems to be gone. And we got more confirmation of that this morning when, to be fair and give credit where credit's due, the bulls were able to create a gap up. The problem is the price gapped up, slightly went upwards, and then gave back all the gains and quite literally went right back to where it started. I mean, before the gap up occurred, the price was down around this area and it closed right down in that area. So was it a disaster of a day? I'm not going to say it was a disaster because, I mean, a disaster would have been coming down here to that green line right there. So gapping up, coming down here, and then just, just blowing down through that level. That didn't happen here. But it was, again, just another one of those kind of days that, in my mind at least, suggests that it seems as though the power is gone. And it seems as though that there just isn't enough buyers left to really create any sort of upwards movement. Because once again, yeah, that gap occurred, but it was just a gap and trap, and right back down it went. But at the end of the day, taking a step back and looking at more than just a couple of days and looking at things from the overarching standpoint, as right now, the price is officially stuck in this sideways channel, top of the channel being up there at $75, that red line representing resistance, and then the bottom of the channel down here at support, represented by right around the $52.50 mark. So within the grand scheme of things, it's just a big kind of question mark right now is who is ultimately going to win out. Are the bulls going to ultimately win out by getting the break to the upside, or are the bears going to win out by getting the break to the downside? So that's the big question mark going forward. But if it were me right now, it's looking like the bulls, they've just run out of ammunition. They've run out of strength. But I could definitely be wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. Maybe this thing is getting ready to skyrocket back upwards, but we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.